Hello and welcome, Ryan here from Fiscal, and today I'm going to take you through a restock workflow using the WMS app from a sales order. So we have a sales order and the customer is returning an item, so we can use the restock function in the WMS app to process that. So in restock in the WMS app, we can then scan for the barcode of that sales order, or we can search for that sales order if we know the sales order number. There we go, and it pops up, and now we get given the option to restock all of the items one by one, or some of the items. So we're going to go to red case large, scan for the item number or item barcode. That's not the right one. Scan the other barcode. There we go. And now let's say the customer only wants to return just the one of them, or restock all of them. Let's scan for one more. There we go. And so now you can see that we have scanned for two, so we're restocking two, and we can restock partial. Then we say yes, partially restocked. Save that. Are you sure? Yes. And awesome. So the restock is complete. So if we go to the sales order in Cin7 and we look at the restock over here, we have the two items that was restocked at the main warehouse. Okay. And then from Cin7 we would obviously have to process the credit note and any refunds that are attached to it as well. Okay.